This is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious tangy chicken in apricot sauce. I'm actually making chicken wings and chicken legs, so it can either be served as an appetizer or as an entry. Either way is delicious. I really recommend it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a small bowl, we're going to combine the Worcestershire sauce together with the minced garlic and the brown sugar. Stir, and now we're going to heat this up for a few minutes just so the garlic will start releasing its flavor, and you can either heat it up on the stove or in the microwave, that's up to you. Once the sauce is warm, just set it aside for a minute. Now in a large bowl, big enough to hold all the chicken pieces, we're going to mix the Apricot Preserves together with the Dijon Mustard. Give it a quick stir, and then we're going to add in the Worcestershire sauce mixture. Stir once again to combine, and then season this with salt, black pepper, and paprika. I'm using 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. But remember, these 3 ingredients are to taste. Feel free to add more or less according to your liking. Stir once again until everything is well combined. And if you want to add some heat, feel free to add some crushed red pepper and a little bit of Tabasco sauce. These 2 ingredients are optional and they are to taste. You can skip them if you want to, or you can add as much or as little as you want. Give it another stir, taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed, and once you're happy with the flavor, set it aside for a minute. Now we're going to prepare the chicken. We're going to start with the wings. So with a knife, we're going to cut each wing into 2 sections. You want to cut each wing in between the drumette and the middle part, just like you see in the video. So just grab a knife and cut each wing in between the drumette and the middle part. Now for the chicken legs, I'm just going to remove the skin from them. You can leave the skin if you want to. And then with a small knife, we're going to poke each chicken leg 2 or 3 times, just so the marinade will season the whole leg instead of just staying on the surface. So remember, we're going to cut the wings into 2 sections and we're going to poke the chicken legs 2 or 3 times. Just keep on repeating these steps until all the chicken pieces are done. Now over here I have the apricot sauce mixture. Now we're going to reserve about 1.5 cups of this mixture. So just grab another bowl and fill it with about 1.5 cups of this apricot mixture. And just set it aside for a minute. Now in the large bowl with the leftover sauce, now we're going to add in the chicken pieces, and you just want to make sure every single piece of chicken is well seasoned with this sauce. So take your time and just massage the sauce all over the chicken pieces, and once all the chicken pieces are well covered with the sauce, if you think the chicken pieces are looking too dry, feel free to add a few more tablespoons of the sauce into the bowl and just toss everything together, just to make sure all the chicken pieces are well seasoned and wet with the apricot sauce mixture. And once they are done, cover them with plastic wrap and we're going to refrigerate them for at least 1 hour. If you have more time to marinate them, feel free to marinate them for a longer time. The longer you marinate them, the better they will be. So you can leave them overnight if you want to. Also, don't forget to cover the leftover sauce and refrigerate it as well. So after the chicken has been marinating for at least 1 hour, now we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now place the chicken in a baking sheet, and mine is lined with parchment paper for easy cleaning. So just place all the chicken pieces in a baking sheet, and remember to pour all the leftover marinade over the chicken pieces, so there is nothing left in the bowl. Now we're going to bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is how the chicken pieces look like. Now we're going to set the oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, now we're going to brush the chicken pieces with a little bit of the reserved apricot sauce mixture. Then place them back in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 more minutes or until they are well cooked and golden brown. While the chicken is in the oven, now we're going to heat up the leftover sauce. So just place it in a saucepan and heat it up on medium heat until well heated. After 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks like. As you can see, it has a little more color and now it's well cooked, so now you can serve it. And you can serve the chicken wings as an appetizer. Just serve them with a little more of the leftover sauce, sprinkle them with green onions, and that's about it. And to make it a main dish, you can serve the chicken legs with rice or mashed potatoes or vegetables. Just brush the chicken legs with more sauce, then garnish with green onions, and that's about it. These are so good, I really recommend them. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog, the link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!